Just keep doing this, and if you do that, that's basically anybody you know who's driving right now is what they're seeing too. Which I feel like it's going to be in a music video or something. Anyway, you are looking out now with your Kentucky One Health Weather Bug camera, and that is from St. Joseph Hospital in Lexington, where it is a wet scene for us. It is pretty much wet just about everywhere. The MaxTrack Doppler confirms that for you. There is your coverage of rain here at 5:15, and again, there's quite a bit out there. Most of it's light. There are pockets where it does come down at a much better clip, and we'll be seeing that around the area throughout the course of the night. So on the MaxTrack, plenty of rain, and that's going to be lasting into Sunday morning for some of us. Into the middle of the week, there are no significant cool pushes, and in fact, quite a bit of warmth is around. Late next week, there's going to be a system that's going to be bringing more rain and colder temperatures. The question is it cold enough and with everything else? Thing is, the cold may not hold. It may be just a quick little shot and out of here. We're still trying to reestablish a winter pattern, which hasn't happened yet. So here's the big picture for you. You're looking at a lot of water across the southeast, and we've seen this time and again this year. Area of low pressure sitting there in Mississippi. It is going to be working its way northbound, and as it does so, it'll continue to drag a lot of moisture along with it. So rain chances basically at the metaphysical certitude as we work our way through this evening. As we continue then into tomorrow, you notice the rain chances do continue to dip into tomorrow afternoon. And by the time we get you on into Sunday with one little hiccup there in the morning, for the most part, we are looking at just the low chance category. So things are getting better. The heaviest rain may end up being now just to the north along the Ohio River. And with that, we are talking still for those folks, maybe an inch and a half or more up around Cincinnati. For a lot of us, a half to around an inch and a half of rain. We've already had the heavier rain across southern Kentucky, lesser as you get to the I-64 corridor. That will balance out with time. So that low pressure from Mississippi works its way northbound. Front is essentially stationary across the area. It's the same one we've been talking about now for a couple of days. You see the coverage of rain as we get you on into tomorrow. And when it's not raining, there's enough moisture around that fog may become a problem as well. By noon, most of the rain is pushed to the north, although there will be scattered showers around, but then they come back again later in the day tomorrow into tomorrow night. Not a lot of cold air with this system, so don't worry about anything about that. That little weak cool front has Pacific air behind it, and so when it arrives, our temperatures will remain pretty doggone mild. Our normals, well, low and mid 40s. We get close to there on Monday, but still slightly above normal, and then we're back into the 50s again by the middle of next week. Hanging around 50 now. Temperatures are not going to move much at all over the next few hours. 50 at the Bluegrass Airport. A dew point comes in the mid 40s, so that would be your basement temperature. Northeast wind to 10. We've picked up a 1/10 of an inch of pile-on rain. Tomorrow we want to see out there at Fayette Mall. We'll be out there from noon to 2 ringing the bell for the Salvation Army outside of Macy's. Come by, drop a couple of dollars in the Salvation Army kettle if you can. If not, just come by and say hi. And if you can't make it out there tomorrow, wherever you see the red kettles, go ahead and drop a dollar or two in there. More rain tonight, breezy, mild, patchy fog will drop a couple more degrees into the upper 40s. It's mid-50s tomorrow. It's a warm day in the mid-50s, but again, that rain will be around. A shower can't be ruled out early on Sunday. Otherwise, a little bit of sun. A lot more sun as we get you into next week as temperatures head back to the 50s.
Boy, we will need some sunshine at that point to dry out all this rain. I can't believe another deluge over the weekend.
Yeah, just it keep coming and coming. It's piling on.
Maybe it'll turn to snow by Christmas, Bill.
Okay, for Christmas.
You know,
I'll give you that, sorry.
Did you see the 8 day? There was right back there.
Yeah. Fell off my stoop here.
You
we'll put you back on your pedestal.
Okay.
Thank you, Bill.